Hey there, my name is KT Temple. I am a technology instructor for about 2,000 agents, and I am an agent for the Temple team in North Carolina and South Carolina. And I'm also a franchise owner with Cyberbacker. And I am coming to your market center to teach you all about ads, specifically command ads and systems to make sure that you're able to convert those ads. This class is going to show you one, how to create the marketing material for you to use on different social media platforms. We're also going to go into Google Ads and how to create Google business accounts so that you can build trust with your consumers and show up on that top ranking on Google. And we'll also be building conversion plans, mostly with smart plans in command to help you take those leads and actually turn them into active clients. I'm really excited to meet all you guys, and I can't wait to come to the workshop and see you then.